Shalom, my name is Iris and I'm from Nes Ziona. We all know how it feels to say goodbye. I said a lot of goodbyes before I came here. To my parents, to my brother, to my little sister, to my friends and even to my dog. I was given the opportunity to come here and explore the world by traveling all over the US, dancing and singing in front of amazing people. I remember standing in the airport, looking back, waving, and thinking to myself that I'm not only saying goodbye to my family and friends, I'm also saying goodbye to my amazing country, to Israel, as I am having the best experience of my life. I can't stop thinking about the moment that I will be reunited with my family, my friends, my dog, and of course, my beautiful country. The next song is for you, Israel. I will be back.
You gave me such exciting memories as I come from my travels around these planets. I know there is no better place for me.
To London, slept in an igloo, sailed across the sea. But everywhere I go I get that feeling that Israel is just a place for me.